Hey guys.
My oldest son wanted to do the intro this morning before I get into the chart review. Can you close that door, buddy? Good job. I took one trade today and got out break even. Let's go over the context real quick. Here was, I don't know when, throughout the night, we had two big bear legs. And then here was the open bar, followed by the 930 bar. And this is where it gets a little tricky because we have this bear trend going on, and they broke out successfully. And then we had good follow through. Now, there's a couple bars that make things a little bit curious here. My initial plan, I was going to go short right here for a retest of the lows, had this closed lower, but literally as this bar was closing, like the last 20 seconds, my internet went out. So I finally got back on, and then this formed, and I was like, heck no, I'm not getting in that. Because even though that this is, big bull bars here, this is a wedge on a smaller time frame. So you have 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 3. So people who were looking to buy right here or that bought, they actually got out right here and sold. So bulls took profit, bears sold. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm sorry, like this. We have another wedge right here followed by a great bull bar. This is the bar that I bought in on for a retest of these highs. Now, what happened was also my screen recorder messed up today. And then on top of that, when I restarted NinjaTrader, it didn't save my chart. So I had to restart everything, get everything the way I want. For some reason, it saved nothing. So I was a little bit flabbergasted with trading today. And then on top of that, when I bought into this, my brackets weren't set up, so I had to close the trade for like a tick profit, and then I got back in once my brackets were set up. So I bought above this, and it's a great bar. I was looking just to retest these highs right here, but there's a couple issues. Number one is this bar right here. This bar has a long tail above these highs, meaning we already retested the high and made a new high. So possibly we could retest it. And as you can see, that's what the market was trying to do. But this bar kind of causes me to have some suspicion. And then once I got in this, the volatility just went nuts. And I don't like that, because most of the time when that happens, that means I'm missing something. So it got in and almost immediately shot up to 5-6 points, spiked up to 7, and then literally would slam down. It wasn't like it slowly would crawl, it would just slam down. And it came back up again, slam down. Came back up again, and then it kind of was just hovering. So it moved up to 5 or 6 points once again, and I moved my stop to break even, and I just left it, because at this point there's something I'm missing, and this goes against all the trading desires or teachings, and I had a really weird feeling about this trade. I just didn't feel comfortable with it, and I was confused. And in that situation, you just need to hang tight. Don't do anything, or get flat until you better understand it. Because if you're not confident, you take a trade and you lose, you're not going to know what to fix. The same thing if you win, because you can get lucky and win and not learn anything. So that's why in this video I'm saying, when in doubt, zoom out, because there was something I'm missing here. So I decided to zoom out, and I realized this right here. We're coming up to the top of this bear channel. That's the issue. Bulls aren't wanting to buy up here. Bears aren't looking to sell just yet because we haven't got there. I would have loved for it to come up here and get a double top, and I was looking to short. I almost shorted below this, but the way it closed, see how it closed, still within the range. So I got out, and it was a profitable trade. At best, I would have gotten 12 points instead of, I think I was shooting for 15-ish. Yeah, somewhere around there. 14, 15 points. But I had a feeling something like this was going to happen. And the other thing, look at how, this is a 30-minute chart. I trade on the 30-minute chart, but look at what has happened recently. One leg, pull back, two leg. One leg, pull back, two leg. One leg, pull back, two leg. Okay, so really, if you took, Friday and today, you're really just in a trading range. Overall bear channel, but the last few days trading range. And that's not ideal. So I would have been looking to sell up here, not right here. This is the middle. You don't want to do anything in the middle of a trading range. Or I would be looking to buy down here. So I got out, and it sucks because, I did have money in the bank at one point, but it just wasn't a good trade. There was context that I was missing. So no trades today, and let me just prove here. Oh, that was Fry. Okay. So got in, got out. Yeah. Pretty boring stuff. And as everyone probably knows, there's a lot of crap going on with banks right now, and it's not a good deal. And on top of that, the inflation report is tomorrow, so the market's not really wanting to do a whole lot, even though there's a whole lot going on. So today's the day, just play it cool. The ATR was ginormous, 24 points typically in a bar. So even on this trade that I was looking to take, my stop would have had to been 60-ish points away. That's insane. So not the best day for a swing trader on a higher time frame like myself. But look at the size of the bars. Previously, like that's a pretty big bar. But look at this. This is insane. So just chilling out. Don't worry about it. Get the screen time and just move on. So hope this is helping you guys. Please interact, like, subscribe, whatever, or you can link up with me other places, and I love going over trades with people. So hope you guys have a good day.